Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if our download is not working in your iPhone or if you are unable to install our download shortcut in your iPhone. So guys, here I will show you how can you easily fix this problem. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and from here open your browser and search here for our download. Here it is, and after this scroll it below and from here tap on our download, from share shortcuts, and from here tap on download shortcut. So guys, here you can see you cannot add this shortcut to your iPhone. So guys, if you are also facing this problem, you will have to again open your browser, and this time you will have to search for lucky download. So guys, from here tap on lucky download. So guys, you will have to install this shortcut for your iPhone if our download is not working in your iPhone. So guys, leave the our download shortcut and install this shortcut to your iPhone, and after this you will be able to easily download reels from Instagram or any other app. So guys, this is the way to fix this problem if our download is not working in your iPhone or you are unable to get our download in your iPhone. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.